Okay, I'm ready to create my first assignment in Classroom. I'm going to click the plus button in the bottom right hand side and click Assignment. And you can see here I can assign this to multiple classes, and I can assign this to all students or specific students. In this case, I'll put the title of the assignment here, and instructions will go right there. That is optional, though highly recommended. Right here on my due date, I'm going to click May 9th for the due date. Anything that's turned in after May 9th by a student will be marked as late, and it will show up as such. If I want to add a time, right here I can say it's got to be in before the class period. This will be unique to this class. If you assign this to multiple classes, you'll have to go and change the times in those classes. So once I add this here, I can assign a topic, which I'll get into a little bit later. It's important to note, if I add a time to the due date, students cannot turn in an assignment after 1 p.m. They have to come and talk to you, and you'd have to make arrangements if you accept late work. Normally, I don't put a time on there. Here is where I can attach a file. So if I had any sort of files that I needed to attach as supplemental information, I can click here. Here's where I'm going to get my assignment from. This is my drive, and we'll get to that in a second. I can add YouTube videos, and I can also add external links. I'm going to click my Drive button to assign what I've already created in my Google Drive. Here's the assignment. I'm going to add it. And this is the important part, because this really is done the first time around. You can't go back and edit this later. I have three choices. Students can view the file, meaning they're just going to read the document. Students can edit the file, which means each student in the class can edit the original file. This could be problematic or very cool depending on what you're doing, but imagine 30 students working on the same document at once. This is what I want to click. I want to make a copy for each student. When they open it up, it will automatically add their name to it. And then I'm going to click the Assign button. If I want to assign it later, I can schedule when the assignment will be pushed out. So let's say I create this on a Friday and I want this to be assigned Monday morning. I can schedule it. I can save it for later, but in this case I'm just going to assign it, and it will show up right here in the screen. This is what students will see as well.